Okay, whatever. Oh my god. You're bored. What is this? It's a cube set. A three. Oh my god, it's awesome. I cannot believe what I got. Let's open it. Okay. Hello friends, welcome back to Hadi's View. Today we are here with a surprise. It's a combo pack of 3 Rubik's cubes. We got it delivered from Amazon. We got here a 2x2 cube, mirror cube, and a pyraminx. Okay. This combo pack includes the 2x2 cube, the mirror cube, and the pyraminx or the pyramid cube. First, we are gonna open the 2x2 cube. Look, there's a list. Oh, this catalog has how to solve the 2x2 cube, the 3x3 cube, the 4x4 cube, and the 5x4 cube. It's a giant catalog. Now let's see this. Wow, so smooth. Oh, unbelievable, super smooth. I don't want to take hands off this thing. It's super smooth. Oh my god. Okay, this is the 2x2 cube. Let's keep it aside. Oh, this is a giant 3x3 cube, and this is a tiny 3x3 cube, smaller than the 2x2 cube. Now we are gonna open the mirror cube. Okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's super tough. Is that the wrong way? No, it's the correct way. Okay. Oh, wow. What? What? It's amazing. Wow. Whoa, that's amazing. What? Okay. This is amazing. And this is almost like the 3x3 cube, but only the center is not in the center. The centerpiece is not in the center. Okay. Whatever. Now we are gonna open the pyraminx. Okay. Wow. It evens. What? This is also smooth, but not as smooth as the 2x2. It's unbelievable. But it's unbelievable how it's made. What? This has been stretched and nothing happened. I think this cannot be stretched. No, it cannot be stretched. Okay, let's keep it aside. Now we have many cubes. Oh my god, now we will be never bored. Yeah. This is the 3x3. I mean, mirror cube. Okay. And so small. The 2x2 and the pyramid. Friends, do you know how to solve the pyraminx or the mirror cube or the 2x2 cube? We will be back with tutorials as soon as possible. Okay, I guess this is a goodbye. Bye!
So friends, hope you liked my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Okay.